Today you will learn how to change dollar sign to euro in Microsoft Word. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. If you want to replace all dollar signs in your document with the euro symbol automatically, you can use the Find and Replace feature. Press Ctrl plus H on your keyboard to open the Replace window. In the Find box, type the dollar sign by pressing Shift plus 4. In the Replace box, insert the euro symbol by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus the E key, and this will instantly insert the euro symbol. If this shortcut does not work on your keyboard, do not worry. There is another simple method. Go to Google and search for euro sign. Now select and right-click the sign. Now copy this euro sign and paste it there. Then click Replace All, and Word will instantly change every dollar sign into the euro symbol across your entire document. You can also insert other currency symbols in the same way, such as the British pound or Japanese yen, using this method. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel.